All right, guys, welcome again. Backyard engineer, we don't come again. So we want to repair this phone. This phone, the camera no good. The back camera no good. Yeah. So wait first. I don't make we arrange this one well. Yes, make we for balance inside. So the back camera no good. Make I show you. See am. If you on am, you know the show. When I don't see am. After a while, they will come right 3 seconds. After the 3 seconds, more the thing don't off. So
yeah.
Engineer Mike for here, you could do am for una eyes. Wanna go see am now. Take it away, Mike. So waiting, then go do first.
First thing first, you have to lose the back of this phone.
Yes, lose the back of the phone.
Before you open the back, I've already loosed the screw, so remove the SIM tray. So remove the back camera. So let's try to open the back and fix the camera. So this is the camera, so to just fix it now. Suppose open this thing finish. Yes.
Okay.
So you now lose the back, remove the back like this. So this is the camera. So this is the camera here. You have to just fix it well. So after that, we now test it. Where's the camera? So this is.
Yeah, see the back camera done the show. When they see
This is the back camera here now.
the back camera is working.
So
Let's check the front camera. The front camera too is working.
So
You see? The front and the back camera.
everything's working well now.
Sorry, yeah? Show the shape of it. This is how you change the camera, you fix the camera of your phone. See for that here. The back camera, the front camera, and the back camera. The two of them working perfectly. Perfecto. So guys,
that is just it.
stick on to the channel. We will drop another video very soon. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe, so that when we drop another one, now you will be the first person we go see this video. Alright now. Who you now?